Welcome. The Directorate of Technical Education, DTE, has taken the initiative to offer online registration for GCET 2021. Students can submit the application form online in 3 simple and easy steps. Log on to www.gcet.in. Step 1. Student has to register his or her email ID or use the email ID of parents. It must be a valid email ID, which is to be used as login ID. Step 2. Fill in the application form and make the payment. Thereafter, you can opt for the exam center. Kindly note that, if the choice of your center is not available, then the system will direct you to choose the next available center. Step 3. Using the login ID, you will be able to access and print your admit card. Now let us go through each step one by one. Log on to www.gcet.in. Read the steps clearly. Note, registration and login shall be functional from 21st of June, 2021 to 30th of June, 2021. Only candidates aspiring for admissions to engineering and pharmacy courses in Goa State need to appear at GCET 2021. Then click on Read Instructions. Read the instructions properly. Then click on Proceed to fill online form. Step 1. Register. Click on Register. You must enter a valid email ID, where you will receive a confirmation mail. Password must have minimum 8 characters, a combination of alphabets, numbers, special characters. Confirm the password by entering it twice. Click on Sign Up. Verify your email ID by clicking on the link sent to your email.
Log into your email ID and check your inbox. You must have received a confirmation mail from DTE.
Click on Verify Email, which will redirect you to the login page. Step 2. Fill the form, make payment and choose Center to answer. Enter the email address and password you have used during registration and click on Login to your account. Then you will be redirected to the student profile. Then click on Fill the form. Now continue to fill up the form.
Enter your name as per SSCE certificate. Select or enter your date of birth.
Enter your place of birth and select gender. Now enter your address. Enter your mobile number where you will receive SMS notification. Now enter your academic details. Now enter the board, month, year and exam seat number of 12th science examination. Select the GCET subjects to answer. Note, student shall choose any one of the following subject combinations. Option A, Physics, Maths and Chemistry. Option B, Physics and Chemistry. Refer to Chapter 8 of the Prospectus, Guidelines for Merit List. Candidates who wish to answer only Physics and Maths need to choose Option A. Now upload a scanned copy of the photograph with the specified dimensions. Now upload a scanned copy of the signature with the specified dimensions. Now proceed towards the declaration. Ensure that the particulars furnished by you in the form are true, complete and correct to the best of your knowledge and belief. Click on the declaration checkbox and then click on Preview and proceed. Now check the preview of your final submission. Kindly ensure that all the particulars above are true, complete and correct before you proceed for payment. You won't be able to change or edit any information once you submit the form. Clicking on Proceed for payment will redirect you to the HDFC Bank payment portal. Now click on the checkbox which will enable the Proceed for Payment button. Click on it. You will be redirected to payment page. Candidate needs to pay application fee of 2000 rupees to complete the form submission. Please click on the Pay Now button to pay the fees. Note: do not press the back button or close the browser tab until the payment is successful and you are redirected to GCET 2021 website.
Enter the bank details and click on Pay Now.
On successful payment transaction, you will get a message that your payment is successful. Center allocation is subject to availability. Now select the center from the drop-down list. If the seats are not available for your desired center, choose alternate center. Now click on Submit Entry. Kindly note that once the entry is submitted, you won't be allowed to change the center. Step 3: Download admit card. You will be redirected to GCET 2021 registration successful page. Admit card will be downloaded automatically. A copy will be emailed to the student's email ID. If the admit card is not downloaded automatically, then click on the Download Admit Card button.